Let's learn advanced English vocabulary. Don't always say very big. You can say massive. The storm caused massive damage to the coast. Don't always say very happy. You can say delight. I am delighted to meet you. Don't always say very clear. You can say obvious. The mistake in the drawing was obvious. Don't always say very tall. You can say towering. A towering wall of rock blocked their path. Don't always say very tired. You can say exhausted. Working double shifts left the entire team exhausted. Don't always say very careful. You can say meticulous. She kept meticulous records of all her business expenses. Don't always say very creative. You can say ingenious. She came up with an ingenious plan to save money. Don't always say very clever. You can say quick-witted. Her quick-witted reply made everyone in the room laugh. Don't always say very crowded. You can say congested. The city highways are always congested during rush hour. Don't always say very boring. You can say tedious. Filling out the long registration forms was a tedious chore. Don't always say very interesting. You can say engaging. I am reading an engaging book and cannot bear to put it down. Don't always say very sad. You can say heartbroken. She was heartbroken after the loss. Don't always say very big. You can say enormous. The storm caused enormous damage. Don't always say very small. You can say petite. He has a petite dog. Don't always say very good. You can say brilliant. He had a brilliant idea. Don't always say very hot. You can say scorching. The desert sun was scorching. Don't always say very ugly. You can say hideous. His new haircut is hideous. Don't always say very beautiful. You can say elegant. She wore an elegant dress. Don't always say very angry. You can say furious. The coach was furious about the loss. Don't always say very happy. You can say ecstatic. She was ecstatic when she won. Don't always say very cold. You can say freezing. The freezing wind blew through the trees. Don't always say very funny. You can say hilarious. The movie was hilarious. Don't always say very cute. You can say adorable. The adorable puppy wagged its tail. Don't always say very bad. You can say awful. The soup tasted awful. Don't always say very easy. You can say effortless. The dancer made the flips look effortless. Don't always say very hard. You can say challenging. The math puzzle was very challenging. Don't always say very loud. You can say deafening. The fireworks made a deafening roar. Don't always say very clean. You can say pristine. The vintage car was kept in pristine condition. Don't always say very excited. You can say exhilarated. The crisp mountain air made the hikers feel exhilarated. Don't always say very fat. You can say plump. The plump pillow felt so soft. Don't always say very quiet. You can say hushed. The crowd spoke in hushed whispers. Don't always say very friendly. You can say amiable. Our amiable neighbor always waves hello. Don't always say very dear. You can say precious. Family is the most precious gift in life.